In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up the Deepseek proxy for Janitor AI on your phone. The first thing you need to do is open your mobile browser and go to Open Router. Sign up for an account. Once you're logged in, tap the three lines at the top right corner of the screen. Then, select Keys. Create a new API key and make sure to copy and save it somewhere safe, like your phone's Notes app. Now, we need the Deepseek model. Go back to Open Router, tap the three lines again, then tap Models. Search for Deepseek and pick the V3 base model. Tap on the model like you're going to copy the site link, but only copy the model name. You'll paste this into Janitor AI under the model field. In the proxy URL field in Janitor AI, paste the Deepseek proxy link. You can get this from the video description or documentation. Tap Save Settings. You're now ready to use Deepseek with Janitor AI on your phone. If you found this helpful, like and subscribe for more quick setup guides.